Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you are doing great. In this quick video, I'll show you how to log into your Google Classroom step by step. Stick around till the end so you don't miss any important details. First of all, make sure your device is connected to the internet. As you can see, I have already connected to the internet. Now simply open the App Store or Play Store. I'll open the Play Store because this is my Android phone. After opening it, simply search Google Classroom. And this is the Google Classroom interface. Simply install it. This will take some minutes. Hope your internet is fast. As you can see, mine is really fast. So it's downloaded in a second. Simply open it. After opening it, you will see this kind of interface. Now simply click on Get Started. After clicking on Get Started, sign in to your Google account, email and password. Make sure to use the Google that your school or teacher has given. If you have multiple accounts, simply select the correct one. I'll select this one and simply allow. After logging in, you will see your classes on the home page. As you can see, there is the classes. Click on any class to start viewing announcement, assignment and materials. As you can see, here are the classworks. If the teacher provided it, it is shown there. And that's how you can log into your Google Classroom quickly and easily. If this helps, please hit the like button, subscribe for more quick tips and see you in the next one.